Hari Om. So I am continuing the balance portion of Anuvakam 7. I will complete that today, verse 9 to 16. And before that, Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu, Dirghaishman Bhava, Dirgha Sumangali Bhava, Sarva Vyadi Nivarana Praptirastu, Sarva Aishwaryam, Avivriddhir Bhavatu, Stribhyaha Dirgha Sumangali Bhava, Tadastu, Tadastu, Tadastu. This Anuvakam 7, I have already told you, Rishi is Rishika. She is Romarsha. Roma means hair. And she is the daughter of Brihaspati. Probably her dishevelled hair, Swanayana king could not marry her, didn't want to marry her, but because of her Vedic prowess, skill, he marries. So she marries a king. And these beautiful verses. Romam means hair. In Malayalam we use it very frequently, Romam. So I shall, in Bhagavad Gita also, incidentally, Sanjaya talks of this Roma in chapter 18, last concluding verses, 74, verse 74. Vasudevasya cha parthasya samvadam asrausham, he heard. So, Romam harshanam, he says. His beauty is, Romam stands up, and harshana, harsha means happiness and all, he stands up in happiness. So I will chant the entire verse for the benefit of viewers. Namo dundubhyaya cha hananyaya cha namo drishnave cha pramrishaya cha namo dutaya cha prahitaya cha namo nishangine cheshu dhimate cha namastikshne cha yudhine cha namaswayudhaya cha sudhanvane cha nama Srutyaya cha pathyaya cha nama katyaya cha nipyaya cha nama sudhyaya cha sarasyaya cha namo nadyaya cha vaishantaya cha nama kupyaya cha vathyaya cha namo varshaya cha varshaya cha namo medhyaya cha vidyudhyaya cha nama irdhriyaya cha tapyaya cha namo vatyaya cha Reshmiyaya cha. This is the entire verse. I think we completed up to Nipyaya cha. So we have to start from Nipyaya cha. Namo Nadhyaya cha Vaishanthaya cha. See, once again, for me to have the continuity, Namo dundubhyaya cha hananyaya cha namo drishnave cha pramrishaya cha namo dutaya cha prahitaya cha namo nishangine cheshu dhimache cha namastikshne cha yudhine cha namaswayudhaya cha sudhanvane cha namasrutyaya cha pathyaya cha namakatyaya cha nipyaya cha namakupyaya cha vathyaya cha. From here I will start. Namakupya. Kupaha in Sanskrit means well. Kupya, he is the well. He is the deep well with water, with matter. Probably black hole in the universe. He is a Kupya, otherwise Kupya, they need not use this. He is a deep well with water. Kupaha is a normal Sanskrit word. So the conjugation, all are dative, fourth cases, to and for him, namo, namo, namaha, namaha, cha, cha is and. Kupyaya, Kupaha is simple Sanskrit. Ramaya, so Punlinga Shabdaha only, Chadurti Vibhakti, Akarantaha. So Kupyaya cha Vathyaya cha. Kupyaya cha Avathyaya cha it will come. Vathyaya is banyan tree, Vriksha Vatham and all we say, banyan tree. But Avathyaya means without banyan means holes. Again deep hole only. The applied meaning, there is no banyan tree in that place, there is a deep hole. He is also a Vatha, but he is Avathya. That is, I told you Ajadi and Haladi, Pratyaya is there. So you put it gives the opposite meaning generally, Dharma, Adharma. So Avathyaya, to him who is a Avathyaya. So this, all this, Avathaya should come, but if you refer to Panini's Sutra, he gives exemption, I think Sutra 7.3.52. You will get all these exemptions there. Why that ya, that tya, avathaya, avatyaya. Why? Avatya, tya. Ta plus, because ta is a very ruksha, ta, ka, pa, phalam, fa, second. If you have those ruksha, hard alphabets, then it becomes tya. As per Panini Sutra 7.3.52, 7th book, 53 chapter and 3rd chapter, 7.3 and 52nd verse. You can refer all these verses in Panini's grammar, 7.1, you can go to 39, 40, 44, 46, 12, 13, all in 7 chapters you will get. So, 7th book, I mean, the chapter will be 1st chapter and here this is 3rd chapter, 7th book in Panini's Ashtadhyayi Sutras. How that comes? Not normally, normal Sanskrit is Vathaya, but Vathyaya, Avatya, Tya. Why? Because of Ta. Ta, Ka, it will come, I will tell you. So, Namakupyaya Cha, and Cha, I am leaving it, Cha. Avathyaya, he is without that banyan tree, means that place is a big hole. He is that also. Namakupyaya Cha, Vathyaya Cha, Namo, Varshaya Cha, Avarshaya Cha. He is a Varshaha, he is a rainy season. Varsha Kalaha. Avarshaya is a drought also. There is no rains. Always matter, antimatter. Light, darkness. That is how, even in Vishnu Sahasranama I have explained, that's how our rishis, if what the existence, non-existence. If you want to know the meaning of existence, you should know the meaning of non-existence. Non-existence has to be there for existence, existence has to be there for non-existence. So, Vathyaya cha, Avathyaya cha, Namo Medhyaya cha, Vidyudhyaya cha. It is not pronounced Medhya, it's Meghya. Some books maybe that straight line may not be there over the Ka, so it becomes Dha. It is Megha. Meghya, he is the cloud. Meghya cha, Vidyutaha means lightning. Vidyudhyaya cha, all this comes under 7352 exemptions. He would say, Panini, Atho yeyaha, Ataha yeyaha, that ya. So, Namo Medhyaya cha, Vidyudhyaya cha. So, it goes like this. Namakupyaya cha, Vathyaya cha, Namo Varshaya cha, Varshaya cha, Namo Medhyaya cha, Vidyudhyaya cha. He will say, Nama Irdhriyaya cha, Athapyaya cha. Irdhriya is clouds. Irdhri. Again, that I stem is exempted. It will not come as a Hari Shabdaha or Pati Shabdaha, Ikaranta Punlingaha. The Dhya and all is given exemption under 7, 140, you can see, refer 39, 40, 44, 46 and all you can refer, 12, 13 and all in the 7th book. Idhriyaya cha, Tapam, Surya Tapam, heat. Here, means it's a Upasargaha emphasizing Dina means whole day, whole heat, big heat. He is that also. He is a Megha, cloudy Megha, plus he is also the heat without Megha. So all these are also correlated with physics. Kupyaya cha, Vathyaya cha, Namo Varshaya cha, Varshaya, Namo Nadhyaya cha, Vaishanthaya cha. Nadhyaya, na is a Nadi. Again, Ikaranta Punlinga. Again, refer to this, I told you all these exemptions. How the I stem, Nadi, it should be Nadyai. Nadi, Nadhyo, Nadhyaha, Nadim, Nadhyo, Nadihi, Nadhya, Nadibhyam, Nadibihi, Nadhyai. But it is Nadhyaya. Again, exemption. From the, it is some portion of exemption Panini gets it from the Vedic Sanskrit, not his classical Sanskrit. His Sanskrit is classical. It should be Nadhyai. So Nadhyaya, Ramaya Shabdam, Akara and the Pullinga Shabdam. For all are fourth only, 2 and 4. Okay? Dative cases. Vaishanthaya cha. See, Nadi is a Nadi. He is a flowing Nadi. Vaishanthaya, I would say endless only, but it can also mean a pond, a big pond like Manasarovar Lake. There are several lakes in Himalayas. Saltwater lakes are there, freshwater. If you go to Ladakh where the Chinese have come, that area and all, even their areas, saltwater is also there. Strange. Freshwater is Manasarovar. Nadhyaya cha, Vai is Va, Eshaha, He, Antaha, end. He is the end for all those nadis, is what I am interpreting. Vaishanthaya cha, Va, is to or towards va is a separate, it's something like upasarga, pratyaya, upasargaha. Eshaha, so va is iv plus a, va. So a plus eshaha, a becomes I, that's why vai. Vaishanta, antah. Vaishantaya cha, so namak kopyaya cha, vathyaya cha namo, varshaya cha, namo nadhyaya cha, vaishantaya cha, nama irdriyaya cha, tapyaya cha. Irdri again is a big pond, Irdri. Very big cosmic pond. Atapanam is, so, Atapaha I have told you, whole heat, tapam, Surya tapam. So, namo medhyaya cha, vidyudhyaya cha, nama irdriyaya cha, tapyaya cha, namo vatyaya cha, reshmiyaya cha. Vatavaranam and all they say, yata, vata and all. It's a air, it's a place through which the air flows, okay. He is that air, he is the oxygen. Again the Tya, go to 7.3.52, 7th book, 3rd chapter, 52nd verse, all the Tya, why it comes. It should be Yata like that, Ramaya. So, Namo Vatyaya, Cha Reshmi, storm, is again the storm. He is the pond, he is the air flowing, he is the mild air, but he is Reshmiyaya Cha, he is the storm. He is here, he is that, he is this, he is that, he is this, he is that, everywhere. He is Bhagavan. I cannot, if I say only Vatyaya and not Reshmiyaya, then what about Reshmiyaya? Question comes. The storm, the big wind. So it is the small hole, the big small wind, the big wind. Namo vastavyaya cha vastupaya. Vastavya comes from vasas, resident. Though some other books would have told vasamsi, jirnani and all we have. Vasas is the dhatuhu, vasamsi means plural in dresses. So here vastavya is the tavya pratyaya means he is a resident. He is the abode. He is the abode, he is a resident, and with vastu, upam, vastu upa. Upanishad, upa means something near, but he is near to the Vastu Shastra. He is the Vastu and he is the Vastu Shastra. That's why the Vastu Shastra rishis later on developed the Shastras. So, Namo Vastavyaya cha Vastupaya cha. This is 7th Anuvaga. So, everywhere, if you say, whether it is Vathyaya, Avathyaya cha, a deep hole, a black hole, as I already told you about Stephen Hawking's black hole, is a deep hole. He is a big pond, he is a small pond. He is a small gravity, he is a big gravity. What is meant by these holes? These are also, calling Bhagavan is everywhere, means Rishis should have observed in the cosmos there are gravitational points which are very dark, like a hole, black hole. See, they don't simply say a hole like that, the physical. They mean cosmos, the black holes. So, then it comes beautifully. Vastupaya, Vastu Upa. Vastu Shastra, scientifically having the residences. As per Shastra means, that's how the kitchen will be there, the Bhojana Prakoshtam will be here, Khana, the Puja room should be there, the Kubera corner, Konaha should be there. So, that is why it has been very beautifully explained in these verses about the cosmos of Parameshwara because of his Rudra Thandava everywhere. Vathyaya cha, Avathyaya cha, Varshyaya cha, Avarshyaya cha. So, he is in the rainy season only, Varsha Kalam. But Avarshyaya, the drought season also is there. He is everywhere. Without rain, there are lots of places in the solar system also. If you go outside and you go to between, even here, between Earth and the Mars, there are no rains, it's a vacuum. Because there is no hydrogen and oxygen there. So with this the verse ends. I would request my viewers to subscribe to my channel to have the continuity. Next will be Anuvakam 8. So till such time, Bhuyat Tavat Shubhamangalam Hari Om.